Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a popular South Indian street food known as Kothu Parotta made in a much healthier way. Kothu Parotta is made from leftover Kerala Parotta and very popular among bachelors and college students. Kothu Parotta can be served as a quick meal for breakfast, lunch or for dinner. These days with children being at home, I do make Kerala Parotta and hence may end up with leftover Parotta, which can easily be turned into a healthy vegetarian meal. So without wasting much time, let's make Kothu Parotta. So I have 4 leftover Kerala Parotta and I'm crumbling them with my hands. You can find my easy whole wheat Kerala Parotta recipe. Link will be in the description box below this video. Once the Parotta is crumbled, keep it aside. Heat a heavy bottomed white pan with half tablespoon desi ghee. Once the desi ghee is heated, add in 1/4 inch ginger which I have sliced and give it a stir. Add in 1 onion chopped, 3 to 4 green chilies chopped and give it a stir. Let it saute for about a minute. Once the onion is light pink in color and has started to turn light brown, reduce the flame to the lowest and then add in half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon roasted jeera powder, half teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, half teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder and give it all a mix so that the spices are lightly roasted and the raw flavor of the spices are diminished. Add in 2 chopped tomatoes, pink Himalayan salt as needed and mix well. Add in 2 grated carrot and mix well. Now instead of carrots you can use any vegetable of your choice like green peas, capsicum, cabbage, etc. Any seasonal vegetable of your choice would be ideal. Cover and let it cook for about a minute, and after about a minute open the lid and stir well. Add in the crumbled Kerala Parotta and mix well. Now use the spatula to mash the parotta a couple of times so that everything is nicely mixed and combined well. This mashing process with the spatula is what gives its iconic name Kothu Parotta. So once everything is nicely mixed, you can add in curry leaves or coriander leaves if you prefer. Turn off the flame and transfer to a plate and serve. Yes, it's that simple to make Kothu Parotta at home. Bachelors can easily try this if you have some leftover parotta, or you can make this with leftover roti also. Super easy to make in those busy mornings or can have as a meal for lunch or dinner. Now to make it nutrient dense, I'm adding in a handful of microgreens. Simply tear the microgreens and add them. Microgreens are packed with nutrients and a good source of antioxidants. They contain higher nutrient levels than more mature plants. Hence, add them to your salads, sabjis, raitas, etc. And my veg Kothu Parotta is ready to serve. So guys, do try this Kothu Parotta recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.